Hello, and welcome to the virtual open house. I am Miss Braznell, and this semester I have your child for biology or biology honors. If you need me during the day, the best time to contact me is from 1:35 to 3, which is my planning. A few lab supplies that your child will need this semester. There is a $5 lab fee for science. They will also need a notebook, pens or pencils, and colored pencils if they want their own set. I do have a class set of colored pencils and crayons that they are welcome to use. Some optional supplies that I would love to have are Kleenexes. The kids also love the Kleenexes, as well as colored paper and cardstock. A little about me. So I am Miss Braznell. I have two wonderful children and a great husband, Micah, who is 9, and Charlie, who is 6. Andy and I have been married for 13 years this July. My family is super important to me, along with my faith and my Falcon family. I am the softball coach at West Henderson, so there may be times where if I'm not in my classroom when you call, that I am on the softball field. I am originally from South Carolina, and I love the Carolinas. I do love being in Hendersonville, and I also am very passionate about science. Hopefully, this will help you to understand my two goals for this semester for your child. I do have two goals, and one of them is that they learn something new every day. The second is that they enjoy science more when they leave my classroom than when they entered my classroom. As for curriculum, there are certain units that are mandated by the Department of Public Instruction in North Carolina. If you would like more information on those standards, feel free to go to the DPI website. Major units that we will cover this semester are organic molecules, enzymes, cell organelles, plasma membrane, cellular respiration and photosynthesis, genetics, evolution, and ecology. I think biology is really important for especially high school students to understand because it is about them and about their interaction with the environment and with others around them. So my hope this semester that goes along with my goal is that they do learn something throughout the semester, not only about the curriculum, but also about themselves. My grading policy is pretty straightforward. I do have definite due dates in my classroom, and I will accept late work with a 10-point per day deduction for up to a week. If your child is absent, then that doesn't count as a late grade. Tests are 50%, labs and projects are 20%, along with quizzes and daily grades. And then each unit, there will be a unit portfolio for your child to do, which will be due on test day, and that is 10% of their grade. The EOC will be 20% of their final grade this semester, and they will have to take that. And how to contact me. If you have questions or concerns, please feel free to email me or call the school and leave a message. I will return or get back to you within 24 hours. I'm so happy to be able to share your child with you this semester. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to get to know them and to allow me the chance to teach them. I hope you have a wonderful evening, and thanks for coming to Virtual Open House.